Now, places also have human characteristics. So if we remember that some human characteristics include people, communities and cultures, so built elements and production. So it's important that we remember that. And we've got to be thinking about how does climate influence human characteristics of places. So if we have a look at the tropical environment, tropical climate, we're going to be thinking about what type of recreational activities would you do in a tropical climate. This would differ from other places around the world, other climates, and it's something that you need to think about. Think about what the clothing look like, and does it suit the climate? So these people here, they're wearing shorts and a short sleeve shirt, and these ones over here are in the water on jet skis, having fun there. So thinking about, does this suit the climate? In our polar environment, would the people in this picture, would they suit living in the polar environment here? Now clearly this polar picture does not have snow at the moment. It's still a polar region, it's cold, still cold. But if we have a look here, but where the front door is, this is the front door here. This is the front door there. Can't see any other ones, but these front doors, just look where they are. So why are they above the ground level? So remembering, if it's a polar region, clearly this is an area where it snows. And so if it snows, heavy snowfall, they need to have the front doors above where the snow's going to go. So now thinking about the climate, how has this climate influenced the type of housing found here? We have very steep roofs. If the snow falls on the roof, it can fall off there. It can just slide off. If it was a flat roof, it would just sit on the roof, and that could make it collapse. So these houses have been built with snow in mind. We've got the stairs, etc. A temperate climate. So that's remembering where we are. I mean, clearly we don't have snow in Brisbane, but temperate climates are cool winters and warm summers. So thinking about what type of recreational activities might occur at a temperate climate. Now, recreation is fun, things that we have fun doing. So what do we do there? Well, these people in this picture look like they're fishermen, I suppose. Fishermen, and they don't have their shirts on, so clearly, well, I'm hoping it's not winter, so they're warm, so that's the part of time of the year. This one here, she's standing in snow, or he's standing in snow. They've got warm clothes on because it is cold. The continental climate, so remembering that's very cold winters and warm summers. So having a think about how does the climate influence what is produced here. So this is a farm. So how's that going to influence what's produced and the housing style? So having a look at the houses. Now, hot arid desert. So how is the climate influencing what people are wearing? Well, we can look at this, even though it's a hot arid desert, we have flowy clothes to keep nice and cool. We've got this camel, so why has it been chosen? Sandy hills, it's a bit hard to travel by car here. And how is the climate influencing transport? So this hot arid desert, which is a sandy desert, how is the climate influencing transport here? A cold arid desert. Remembering we do have cold arid deserts in Australia, but we don't have the snow like this place. But so what type of housing would you find here? So in this is in Snake Valley, Utah and Nevada, so in the United States of America. Who are the people who would live here? And what type of production could occur in this climate? So that's something to think about. Like, how does climate influence the human characteristics of places?